there, this is Abel Jacob with Southwestern Controls. Thank you for your time to attend this brief presentation on slurry pumps for chemical plant applications. If you have ever asked yourself questions such as in various applications like what is pump failure, cavitation, abrasion, what can I do about it? If you're faced with similar pumping challenges, I believe that you would find a lot of value with today's presentation. Let me go ahead and introduce you to an innovative yet simple pumping technology that you might not have come across. So let's go ahead and get started. So let's go ahead and see what exactly are slurry pumps. So if you have ever pumped slurry, you know that it is one of the most challenging fluids to move. No doubt about it, slurry is tough on pumps. Since this is a versatile pump, you don't normally see issues that you would see with other types of pumps like progressive cavity, for example. Disc pumps are very adaptable and these are very flexible. The main reason for me to select this picture is to indicate that we find a lot of slurry pump applications, especially in the chemical waste stream plants, which you may have in your plant or in your facility, and these are vital and troublesome. Through pulsation-free smooth laminar flow, disc pumps enhance the general processing of fragile products and eliminates costly damage while greatly reducing wear to the pump. This open architecture, if you can look at the image that's on the left side, it allows for large and irregular hot solids as well as a variable solid streams without any plugging. So this is one of the interesting questions I was asked by an engineer while taking a presentation for him. He asked, are there any applications that encounter multiple challenges of combined corrosion, abrasion, and shear sensitivity? Yes, some slurry processes, such as catalyst as shown in this picture, are both abrasive and shear sensitive. So Tesla disc pack pumps offer double value in those types of applications. So let's analyze the performance of this particular pump. From the outside, disc pack pumps appear to be much like a centrifugal pump, but offers functions of both positive and non-positive pumps, such as a centrifugal pump with abilities to generate flows from 20 to 6,000 gallons per minute and up to heads up to like 1,000 feet. That is a total discharge head. And the maximum solid size that can be pumped through this particular pump is like a 10-inch solid size, a spherical rock. That's the maximum solid size that can be pumped through this particular disc pack pump. And what kind of like limits it is the largest solid that can be accommodated is the smaller of either the diameter of the inlet of the disc pack or the distance between the disc of the rotating pumping mechanism shown by the arrows. So I did meet with a particular customer who was involved in pumping elastomers. He had a number of pump breakdown issues with the progressive cavity pump that he was using. We asked him what are the effects when this critical troublesome pump breaks. And the first point that he highlighted was production yields. So with the disc pack pump, we are always able to maintain higher production yields and improve product quality. So when you're pumping delicate or shear sensitive or otherwise sensitive products, the disc rotor increases the productivity by reducing the product losses due to minimal contact pumping mechanism and laminar flow. So savings can be phenomenal, with some pumps actually paying for themselves in a matter of weeks. So the disc pump net positive suction head requirement that is required is 1/3 to half that of conventional centrifugal pumps. And these disc pumps, the disc pump design is capable of operating indefinitely with zero process fluid, but you have to note that the mechanical seal must be flushed even during dry running. And finally, it is possible to deadhead the discharge or starve the suction for extended periods of time at normal operating speeds with no damage to the pump. Please note that any sealing devices, unless it is properly protected and lubricated, will be damaged. So the ability to pump ultra shear sensitive products without damage has led to disc pumps being successfully applied in diverse challenging applications, from polymers to crystalline products to latex and oil water separator feeds. The disc pump is also uniquely capable of pumping fluids or slurries with exceedingly high volumes of entrained gas or air, such as foams and crude oil with sand and gases. Here's a quick slow motion video showing the beads as they smoothly go from the inlet to the outlet without damaging the impeller. You can also see that the boundary layer principle directs the beads to the center of the stream. I really appreciate the time you took to be here and listen to my presentation. Let me know if you have any applications there where you think that disk pumps could be used as a cost-effective solution to your problem. Thank you. Have a good day.